Add this to your morning coffee to rebuild muscle fast after 59. If you are over 59 and struggling to build muscle, no matter how much protein you eat or how hard you exercise, there is a natural plant extract that has been used for centuries that you can add to your morning coffee starting today. This simple addition could help restore your muscle strength, improve your energy levels, and support your body's natural ability to rebuild lean muscle tissue. I am talking about Tribulus Terrestris. Now, before you think this is just another supplement fad, let me explain the real science behind why this matters for your muscles after 59 and exactly how to use it safely. Before we dive in, I would love to know what city and country are you watching this video from? Drop a comment below and let me know. I always enjoy connecting with viewers from around the world. So what exactly is Tribulus terrestris? Tribulus terrestris is a small leafy plant that grows in parts of Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. It has been used in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for hundreds of years. The plant produces small fruits covered in spines, but it is the extract from the roots and fruits that contains the beneficial compounds we are interested in today. The main active compounds in Tribulus terrestris are called saponins, particularly one called protodioscin. These natural compounds have been studied for their potential effects on muscle health, strength, and overall vitality, especially as we age. Now, why does this matter specifically after 59? Well, as we get older, our bodies naturally experience changes in hormone levels, muscle protein synthesis, and recovery capacity. After age 50, most people lose about 1 to 2% of their muscle mass every single year. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it affects nearly half of adults over 60. The result is weakness, slower metabolism, increased risk of falls, and difficulty doing everyday activities like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or playing with grandchildren. Many people think this is just a normal part of aging that they have to accept, but that is not entirely true. Tribulus terrestris may help address some of the root causes of age-related muscle loss. Research suggests that it may support healthy testosterone levels in older adults. Now, before anyone gets worried, I'm not talking about taking hormones or doing anything extreme. I am talking about supporting your body's own natural production of hormones that help maintain muscle tissue. Both men and women produce testosterone, and it plays a vital role in muscle health, bone density, and energy levels. After 59, these levels naturally decline, and that is one reason why muscle becomes harder to build and easier to lose. Studies have shown that Tribulus terrestris may help improve strength and muscle function in older adults when combined with proper nutrition and exercise. One study found that older men who took Tribulus extract showed improvements in muscle strength and physical performance compared to those who did not take it. Another study found benefits for muscle endurance and recovery. The saponins in Tribulus appear to work by supporting the body's natural anabolic processes, which means the building up of muscle tissue rather than the breaking down of it. But here is what most people do not realize. Tribulus terrestris works best when you combine it with other muscle building strategies. It is not a magic pill that will give you muscles while you sit on the couch. Think of it as a helpful tool in your toolbox, alongside good protein intake, resistance training, proper sleep, and stress management. When you add Tribulus to your morning coffee, you are giving your body an extra edge to support muscle protein synthesis throughout the day. Now, let me share exactly how to add Tribulus terrestris to your morning coffee safely and effectively. First, you want to use a high-quality Tribulus extract. Look for a supplement that contains at least 40% saponins. This ensures you're getting a concentrated form of the active compounds. Most Tribulus supplements come in capsule or powder form. If you are adding it to coffee, the powder form is easier to mix, but you can also open a capsule and pour the contents into your cup. The typical dosage, studied in research, is between 250 to 750 milligrams per day. I recommend starting with a lower dose, around 250 milligrams, and seeing how your body responds over a few weeks before increasing. Here is how to prepare your muscle-building morning coffee. Brew your regular cup of coffee as you normally would. Add your Tribulus powder or the contents of one capsule to the hot coffee. Stir it well to dissolve completely. You can add a splash of unsweetened almond milk, coconut milk, or cream if you like. Some people also add a teaspoon of coconut oil or grass-fed butter to make it more satisfying and to help with the absorption of the nutrients. Drink this coffee in the morning, ideally about 30 to 60 minutes before breakfast or your morning workout if you exercise. Why add it to coffee specifically? Well, there are a few reasons. First, the caffeine in coffee has its own benefits for muscle function and exercise performance. Caffeine can improve focus, increase energy, and enhance physical performance, which can help you get more out of your workouts. Second, taking Tribulus in the morning aligns with your body's natural hormone rhythms. Testosterone levels are typically highest in the morning, so supporting that natural peak makes sense. Third, making it part of your morning coffee routine helps you remember to take it consistently, and consistency is key to seeing results. Now, let me share some important safety considerations. Tribulus terrestris is generally considered safe for most people when taken at recommended doses. However, you should always consult with your health care provider before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you are taking medications or have any health conditions. This is especially important if you have hormone-sensitive conditions, are taking blood pressure medications, or have diabetes, because Tribulus can interact with certain medications. Some people may experience mild side effects like stomach upset, especially when first starting. If this happens, try taking it with food or reducing your dose. Also, Tribulus may increase the risk of bleeding, so if you are taking blood thinners, you need to talk to your doctor first. Pregnant or nursing women should not use Tribulus terrestris. And remember, this is not a replacement for medical treatment. It is a natural supplement that may support your health goals when used appropriately. Besides adding Tribulus to your morning coffee, what else can you do to rebuild muscle fast after 59? Let me share 5 additional strategies that work hand in hand with Tribulus. Number 1, prioritize protein at every meal. After 59, your body needs more protein to maintain and build muscle. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein at each meal. Good sources include eggs, wild-caught fish like salmon, grass-fed beef, chicken, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese. Your muscles need these amino acids as the building blocks to repair and grow stronger. Number 2, lift weights or do resistance training at least 2 to 3 times per week. You do not need to lift heavy weights or join a gym if that is not your thing. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups against a wall, and resistance bands can be very effective. The key is to challenge your muscles progressively over time. This signals to your body that it needs to keep that muscle tissue strong. Number 3, get enough quality sleep. This is when your body does most of its muscle repair and rebuilding. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of good sleep each night. If you struggle with sleep, try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, keeping your bedroom cool and dark and avoiding screens for at least an hour before bed. Number 4, manage your stress levels. Chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone that breaks down muscle tissue. Find stress management techniques that work for you, whether that is meditation, deep breathing, spending time in nature, or activities you enjoy. Even just 10 minutes a day of relaxation can make a difference. Number 5, stay hydrated throughout the day. Water is essential for every function in your body, including muscle protein synthesis and recovery. Many older adults do not drink enough water. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and more if you are exercising or it is hot outside. Now let me address some common mistakes people make when trying to rebuild muscle after 59. The first mistake is not eating enough overall calories. Many people think they need to eat less as they get older, but if you are trying to build muscle, your body needs fuel. You cannot build muscle in a calorie deficit. Make sure you are eating enough nutrient-dense foods to support your goals. The second mistake is doing too much cardio and not enough strength training. While walking and cardio are great for heart health, they do not build muscle the way resistance training does. The third mistake is being impatient. Muscle building takes time, especially as we age. You might not see dramatic changes in a week or even a month, but if you stay consistent for 3 to 6 months, you will notice real improvements in strength, energy, and how your body looks and feels. Let me share a real-world example of how this approach can work. I know a gentleman named Robert who came to me at age 62. He was frustrated because he had always been active, but he noticed he was getting weaker. His clothes were fitting differently, and he felt tired all the time. He started adding Tribulus terrestris powder to his morning coffee, increased his protein intake, began a simple strength training routine 3 times a week, and focused on getting better sleep. After 4 months, Robert had gained back noticeable muscle tone in his arms and legs. His energy improved dramatically, and he felt strong enough to keep up with his grandkids again. He told me it gave him back his confidence and quality of life. The key is to understand that rebuilding muscle after 59 is absolutely possible, but it requires a comprehensive approach. Tribulus terrestris in your morning coffee is one tool that may help support your natural hormone levels and muscle building capacity, but it works best when combined with proper nutrition, resistance training, good sleep, and stress management. Everything I shared today is for educational purposes only. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. Please consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or adding new ingredients to your routine, especially if you are taking medications or have any health conditions. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this information helps you on your journey to rebuilding strength and vitality after 59. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health content designed specifically for people over 60. And remember, it is never too late to take control of your health and feel strong again. I will see you in the next video.